Welcome back to the desert. Snowbirds, as you return to your home here, there's one important check you don't want to miss: your HVAC system. The long hot months have passed, and while you've been away, your HVAC system has been sitting idle, gathering dust and maybe even some wear from inactivity. So, as you're settling back in, let's talk about why now is the perfect time to give it the attention it needs. Think about it. Your HVAC system is like the engine of your comfort, and after sitting unused for several months, it could use a little extra care to get back up to speed. Over time, dust and debris build up in the system, and this can clog filters, obstruct airflow, and even cause unnecessary wear on components. Without a proper tune-up, you might find that your HVAC is working harder than it should, leading to higher energy bills, inconsistent temperatures, or worse, breakdowns in the middle of the season. When you schedule maintenance with Anthem, our technicians do a thorough check. They'll inspect the entire system, clean out any dust and debris, replace filters, and check for any issues that might have come up during the downtime. We'll also check refrigerant levels and electrical connections to make sure everything is running efficiently and safely. And here's a big benefit for you. A well-maintained system isn't just more reliable, it's also more efficient. This means lower energy bills and a more comfortable home environment for you and your family. Plus, with the desert heat, it's better to be proactive. The last thing you want is an HVAC emergency once the temperatures start climbing. Don't let dust and debris stand in the way of a smooth, comfortable season. Reach out to Anthem today to schedule your HVAC maintenance. Our team is here to make sure your system is ready to run smoothly and efficiently, giving you the peace of mind to enjoy your time back in the desert. Call us today to book your tune-up.